Worried about checking your child's blood sugar? Don't stress, you've got this. I'm Dr. X and I'll guide you through the steps to keep your child safe with type 1 diabetes. Let's dive in. Checking your child's blood sugar is key with type 1 diabetes. It shows if levels are too low or high, both can be dangerous. It helps you adjust their insulin dose and keeps their diabetes under control to prevent future health issues. Know the levels, stay safe. You've got two options to check. With a blood glucose meter, prick their fingertip. Place the blood on a test strip in the meter and record the result. Pro tip, use the sides, it hurts less. Or use continuous glucose monitoring. A sensor under the skin tracks levels all day. 2 ways to check. Check at least 4 times a day, before meals, snacks and bedtime. Once a week, check overnight, especially if insulin doses change. Teens should always check before driving. Check more if they're sick, traveling, or showing symptoms like sweating, shaking, thirst, or frequent urination. Check off and stay ahead. What if blood sugar is too low? Act fast. Give a quick sugar source like juice or glucose tablets, not chocolate, as fat slows it down. For severe lows, use glucagon, a shot or nasal spray your doctor prescribes. Keep both handy, even at school. What if blood sugar is too high? Follow your doctor's plan, usually insulin and extra fluids. Test their urine to check severity and watch for signs like thirst, frequent urination, or fruity breath, which can signal an emergency. Can my child check at school? Absolutely. Work with the school to plan checks before gym, lunch, or if they feel unwell. A nurse or staff can help, ensuring they stay safe while learning and playing. When can my child check their own sugar? Many kids can by ages 8 to 11. Start teaching them early. They'll still need help with insulin doses, but it's a big step toward independence. You're doing great. That's how you check blood sugar, parents. You're equipped to keep your child thriving. Next, we'll cover managing levels and school plans in our type 1 diabetes playlist. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment. What's your biggest challenge with checks? I'll reply. Check the playlist in description for more.